Hey, just doing another one. This one's on the Screenlogic. It's a pretty cool device here that adapts to your existing equipment. And we just installed this on this property. A quick look at the pool here and the nice view. So, I'll give you a quick rundown. I don't have time to do a long video today, so it's gonna be really short. But you can see we have a very old system here. Okay, this is originally a Pentair Compool system. Okay, and you can see we upgraded it to Easy Touch. Okay, so now it's got the upgraded kit for the older system, and then we added Screenlogic on top of that. So now this thing's got phone controls. I mean, it's comparable to a newer system. So, you know, just because you have an old system, you might get lucky, you might be able to upgrade it. So we'll shut this. And I mean, you could tell just by looking at it, this thing's ancient, and it was easily upgraded to a modern phone controlled system. And that's about it. I'm keeping this one short. I wish I could show you exactly how it works, but it's very similar to IntelliCenter. I have YouTube videos on that one if you want to check it out. It's not the same, but it's very similar. Same idea, super easy to use. Pool spa controls from the phone, color LED controls, variable speed controller, and that's it.